Armed with curiosity and a knack for reviews, he's the hungry ferret.
Welcome back. So today we're going to take a look at the Hario coffee mill, the ceramic slim. Here I place them next to some grinders I have. To the left is the Hario skeleton, and the right is the Lido 2. The mini is just as tall as the other Hario. In height, they're pretty much the same. But there's a lot of differences here. So let's do a capacity measurement here. So the mini roughly holds about 40 grams. And the skeleton holds roughly about 77 grams. Handle's easy to remove. All you have to do is just lift up a little bit and the handle just pops right off. Then you can remove the cover. Inside here, you can see the ceramic burrs. It's quite dusty in here. So I'm going to put the handle on. And you should be able to see the inner burr and the outer burr. Basically how it works. The bottom piece is plastic. It has little markers over here to tell you how many cups. I don't use that. Because it's narrow, coffee sometimes does get stuck. So here's the bottom piece where the adjustment occurs. Similar style as the Portlex on how to adjust the grind. This is how you set the adjustments. It's basically just a nut that you turn. You should be able to feel it. You need to use the handle. Otherwise, it's very difficult to turn the nut. Okay, so now I have tightened it all the way. And to set the setting, you just turn counterclockwise. Okay, and basically going to count the number of bumps. So for the first grind, I'm going to do 10 clicks. And I place 14 grams of coffee for my normal drip. Now one of the problems with this grinder is it actually does take a while to grind. For 14 grams, it takes about 2 minutes. It's quite a long process and you do get tired. Okay, and let's take a look at the grinds. And again, you can't stick a spoon in there. And some of the grinds do get stuck on the bottom of the container. Only a minor issue. Okay, you zoom in, you can see at 10 clicks, it's actually pretty consistent. The grinds are nice and even. There's very little dusting. It's quite good. It's very surprising for a $25 grinder. And you could just take a look. Now let's do a side-by-side comparison. Basically on the left, I have 8 clicks, which is medium fine, and on the right, 10 clicks, which is just medium. Again, both these are very even. And I'm just going to press down and you can actually see how fine the grinds are. Now, I also want to show you guys what a French press grind looks like. It's pretty good too. It's not as good as the fine settings, but it's definitely better than the other Hario. So I'm going to start rating these grinders. So at the top of the list right now, which I like the best, the Lido 2. Number 2 is Portlex. Number 3 is the Hario Mini. And number 4 is the Hario Skirton. If you have any questions, please comment. And if you like the review, please subscribe. Thanks.